a good weekend, solid. We made a huge step forward compared to the last weekend. For sure, we started from very in the back. Very happy and satisfied about all the work that all the Japanese done until now.
Della Honda funzioni nel migliore dei modi.
Qui alla fine dell'anno il calendario è molto fitto. Riuscirete a fare qualche test privato prima
No,
di Valencia?
impossibile.
Quindi
No.
il lavoro di
Finito.
sviluppo dovete fare tutto in pista nei weekend di gara.
Esatto. Sì, adesso con tutto quello che ci hanno portato cerchiamo di avere il miglior compromesso e di portarlo avanti in queste gare, preparando poi il test di Valencia nel migliore dei modi.
Yes, the truth is that we get some things that I think that can help us to be competitive in short term, but also in this track is we have a lot of grip and sometimes we can see a bit of vibration on the bikes. We get a swinner that looks like if we don't have this vibration, I think that could be a good thing in terms of grip. The aerodynamic side, if you see, we were able to make a good top speed today. The acceleration looks like we improved a bit, but you know we are losing a lot in the corners now. Not being able to lean so much, just having this problem and nothing. We will work to try to solve it. This is now at the moment is the priority.
So I enjoy this lap. I think that we made a good improvement compared to the last weekend. I'm satisfied with the link. I think with this different compromise in the rear is much better than the FP2. Still we can work on it, but it's positive because in all the entry phase the behavior of the bike is better. The position of the bike, the feeling that I have to put the bike inside is better, it's positive. The corner that I gain the most is turn 13 compared to the standard link, because with the standard link in that fast corner always feel the bike a little bit low and soft, while with this I have a very good position and I can turn very well.
This is my special helmet for Misano. Is especially for my daughter that will arrive in a few weeks. We try to put many things, but real things of us. I draw personally this stickman. This is us dancing in the disco, because I didn't love to go to the disco, but Marta was there every weekend, so for try to stay with her, I was going there every time. This is the real heartbeat of our daughter. The first time that we went to the visit to her, to hear the heartbeat was really emotional moment. I draw also personally this M and this number 10. It was super fun to draw and to think together this helmet, and now let's see how it is on track.
Well, I want to say that I'm quite satisfied. I think it was a good weekend, solid. We made a huge step forward compared to the last weekend. For sure, we started from very in the back, but make P15 in the qualifying is a starting point, in my opinion. Then in the race, it's difficult to fight at the beginning, the first lap, especially with the other manufacturers. But very happy and satisfied about all the work that all the Japanese done until now. We have to continue like this and try to improve in the last couple of races and try to understand this new package, how it will be in the overseas races. That for sure is always a different situation.
Campione del mondo, ovviamente in motocromo
Corre ya, Jack. Usted la